Web browser security, that's what we're here for today. The best way to get online safely, and it's discussed in great detail at techradar.com. If you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, that's how you got here, obviously, and click the link that's in the show notes, and let's have a look. See the best web browser for 2018, the fastest, safest way to get online. And let's look at that link. In their link, that's 2 people pinned this 5 days ago. The browsers they talk about are listed in order of best of the rest. Okay? The #1 award, Firefox. I use it. It's very fast, light on system resources, and strong privacy tools. Okay? If it's about privacy, that's where you want to be. The next one they talk about, Google Chrome. This has one minus in it. It's resource hungry. If you've got a really strong workstation, then Chrome will work for you. It's got really good security features, and that's all I'm going to say about that. I don't use Chrome, and probably the reason it's resource hungry. It's got a lot of stuff going on. Opera, they're talking about Opera in terms of it being an underrated browser, but it's a great choice for slow connections. So if you've got a website that you frequent as a resource, and it's really not that fast, because they didn't get hosting from me, Opera might be your choice. Continuing down the list, Microsoft Edge. It's full integration with Windows 10 is probably the plus side. It's very quick. It's got a built-in reading mode. It's not backwards compatible. That is to say, it doesn't work with the old stuff. Microsoft Internet Explorer, remember back in the glory days of XP? Okay, well, Microsoft Internet Explorer is still around. It's not as expandable as Firefox or Chrome would be. It's got very poor plugin support. Now here's one I've heard the name of, Vivaldi. Vivaldi is very customizable. It's got a really creative interface features that you can make it have the look that you want it to have. I've used it a couple of times. It's not the fastest. If it has a downside, it's not as fast as the latest Firefox or the latest Chrome would be. The last one on their list is Tor. Tor Browser, now you probably heard about this one spoken in hushed terms, being that's what the bad guys use. If you want to go into the dark web, we've all heard that scary word, Tor Browser is what you have to use. Take a look at that. It might be right for you. And if you're worried about privacy, you can run it from a USB stick, and nobody needs to know that you even got it. Okay? So, there you have it. This concludes this episode of the Guyer Cook Report. And so at that point, I say thanks to the patrons, the people that helped make this possible. And remember, the show notes are going to be titled with web browser security. And you're going to go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com and click that link and get your homework done. And we'll talk about it. Okay? It's a wrap.